What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I've partnered up with YoloLive to showcase the YoloBox Ultra. I'm going to do a series of videos to take you into the world of video production. The YoloBox Ultra is a serious all-in-one solution for live streaming, podcasting, filming with multiple cameras and computers. So I would do this unboxing and I'm gonna do an overview to kind of give you guys what the YoloBox is all about. So let's have some fun. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is back with another video. So if you are considering getting the YoloBox Ultra, you came to the right place, right? So I'm going to do the unboxing and give you guys my first thoughts, and we're going to go do a overview of this machine here. So let's go and open this up and see what it's all about. So when looking at the box, it's a nice presentation. It gives you all the description of everything here that's on the box. Nice and petite. So let's open it up. So we'll open it up the box. You're greeted to the YoloBox Ultra itself, and it comes with a glass screen protector, which is really nice, especially if you're going to take this out on the go, and or even if you set it up in your studio, the screen protector definitely come in handy. All right, so taking it out the box, here we go. This is the YoloBox Ultra. Got a nice little heft to it. Put this on the side, and they have a Facebook community that you can join. This is the QR code to join their Facebook community, which gives you a lot of information about everything dealing with the YoloBox. All right, you get the user manual. Okay, comes in a few different languages, and in the box you get the charging cable. Right, this is going to be USB-A to USB-C. All right, and you have another cable here, USB-C to USB-C. Okay, and I'm sorry, this is going to be your charging cable right here, USB-C to USB-C, and this is going to be another cable here, USB-A to USB-C, just so you know. All right, and you get some mounting ports here. So if you want to mount this on the stand, or if you want to mount this on your camera, this is very good for that, right? So it does come with a mounting bracket. Then it also comes with a SIM ejection tool, and which is really nice. And we're going to talk about the YoloBox because it does have SIM support, and we do have SD card support built in, and it comes with an Allen wrench. And the second box here, this is what we're going to get. You're going to get the charging brick with different mounts for different countries. I'm in the United States, so I get the regular one here, and you just snap it on. There it is. So since I'm in the United States, I'm going to use this, but you have different plugs for whatever country that you're in. So that is nice. So this is going to be your unboxing experience here with the YoloBox Ultra. So what is the YoloBox Ultra? And you have all these ports here. Let's talk about it. The YoloBox Ultra is a live streaming and video production all-in-one solution. It's a switcher that has a huge 8-inch display, right, with 4 HDMI inputs, 2 USB-A ports. You have 1 USB-C port, Ethernet port, you have a line in port, a mic in port, a audio out port. You also have a SIM card port, and all of that is powered by the Snapdragon 865 processor. We have 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage in here. So this thing has enough power to get the job done. Okay, so this is going to be the first boot. And as you can see, you have 3 different modes. You have live streaming mode, vertical streaming, and you have monitor mode. And when you go into the settings, you have all your settings. Let's go to about phone and about devices. See, now I'm on the 2.0, and I believe there's an update to the 2.0.1 or 2.0.2. So I'm gonna have to update the firmware here. Okay. When you go back, these are going to be very important here because you can sign into your Facebook, your YouTube, your Twitch, RTMPS and SRT. I do have an account here, which I'm gonna sign in and go from there. So let me go to sign into my account. Okay, so when I signed in to my account and I plugged up an Ethernet cord, now I'm logged into my account. Now, here's the thing about the YoloBox Ultra. If you go to YoloLive.com, which I will leave that link down in the description below, you create an account. And once you sign in, you get all the stuff that you have on your account will automatically sync to here. So if you want to put all your credentials for YouTube, Twitch, or TikTok, or Facebook on the website, it will automatically sync to your YoloBox. So right now it does have a upgrade here. 2.5.1 is available. So let's go to install it. And after it finishes installing, I'm going to give you more of a breakdown here in the overview about the YoloBox Ultra. All right, so the update is complete. And let's go back in it and let's go to about device. And as you can see, I'm now updated to 2.5.1. That's going to be the latest update. All right, so just so you know. Okay, so let's talk about some of the features and functionality of the YoloBox Ultra that separate this machine from the rest, because this box is feature packed. The YoloBox Ultra can do 4K streaming in horizontal or vertical. So this machine is ready for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube Live in the vertical format. It has ISO recording. Yes, ISO recording. You have NDI support, HX3 SRT format here. You got H.265 encoding and recording. You got cellular bonding for a solid connection. You have a remote control app for your smartphone, which is really nice. You have multicam instant replay on here, which I am going to break down in a few videos here with the YoloBox Ultra. So as you can see, the YoloBox Ultra is feature packed and it deserves to have multiple videos. So this is why I'm doing this series of videos with the YoloBox Ultra. So if I wanted to strictly live stream, I can hit it enter here for live streaming. And what I could do here, I've already done this in the YoloLive website. I put all my credentials in for my YouTube, my TikTok, my Instagram, and my Facebook. So if I want to schedule an event, all I have to do is hit the plus button and I can schedule to go live. I can go live right here. Don't have to use no computer, don't have to use nothing. I could go live with the YoloBox Ultra. Now, if I want to do vertical streaming, I can enter here and I can go to my TikTok, and as you see, it's going to flip by itself. And here I can go to my Instagram, my TikTok, and it's weird that I can actually add stuff here with the YoloBox Ultra. So I could go to all my live streaming vertical formats here in this screen, which is really nice. Yeah. Okay. Now, if I wanted just to record videos, don't want to stream, I just want to use my YoloBox Ultra as a ultimate video production machine, I could go into the monitor mode here. And once I do that, I'm good to go. Now, I don't have any cameras connected. And what I want to do is I got two little cameras here. And this also supports PTZ. But one of the things that I like about the YoloBox Ultra, right? You got 4 HDMI inputs, but you do have 2 USB-A ports and you have 1 USB-C port. So technically, you could have up to 7 cameras. Now you could use one of the ports for a external SSD, or you could use the SD card port here to save all your videos, which is awesome. So technically you could have up to 7 cameras, which is absolutely marvelous. So I have these little USB cameras here, plug that up to my USB-C. Okay, and that should pop up in a second. Okay, and I'm gonna plug this one up. This is awesome, by the way. So I have one camera connected USB, so I can use this camera here. As you can see, right there, it's popped up, and I have my second camera. Okay, my second camera here, and I could just click that, and this is going to be my second camera, which is really neat. So if I want to switch from camera to camera, I could do that. And I'm going to go in depth with multiple cameras using overlays, lower thirds, green screen effects, and everything else in between. So when you're looking at the interface, all your camera feeds is going to pop up right here. Now you could go big here just by pressing that, which is really nice. Go back small. Now you have your record, your 1080p right here. I could go up to 4K, right? I can record in 4K, which is nice. I'm gonna go over that in another video and go from there. But you got your layout here at the bottom. Well, right here, you have all your overlays here. You have your audio mixer. As you know, you have audio in here and audio out. You have line in and audio in, you got audio out. So you have a whole audio section here, which you could get great audio going into the YoloBox Ultra. All right, so here it is. You have the scoreboard. This say if you're doing sports, you have a total scoreboard here that you can do sports, which is really nice. Now you have this section right here is going to be the replay section. And again, I'm going to do a dedicated video on how to do the instant replay and the replay section and all that stuff like that. So that is pretty neat. Stay tuned for that. Now, this is going to be your record here. Now, for me, I will utilize this box for recording a lot of videos. And since this has ISO recording, I can do all kinds of things as far as ISO recording and stuff like that. I could do my program. I could do my USB 3, my USB 2. That's the only two that I got plugged in right now. I could go 30 frames per second. I could go up to 60 frames per second if I want to record into 60 frames per second, or I could go down to 24 frames per second if I wanted to. Now I have my bit rate. I could go high bit rate if I want to. I can record at H.264, H.265, and I could do record limits. I can have it broke down into my SD card. Every 10 minutes, it will save and then record again. So when you put this in your video editing software, it would have 10-minute increments, or you could go 20 minutes or something like that. So I'm gonna keep that on 20 minutes. Here, you could do auto switching. All right, you could do auto switching, which is really nice. And you could go from your main source to whatever cameras you got plugged in. Okay, and this is going to be your settings. You got NDI, right? Which is really nice NDI. So I do have some NDI cameras, which is really nice. Okay, and you have all your modes here. You got your SD card management. You have your portable storage, which you can utilize the USB port for SSDs and portable storage. You have your mobile web control, which you can use your mobile phone to control the YoloBox Ultra, which is really nice. Now they do have a YOLO deck that they just released. You can configure that. That's more like a stream deck, which is absolutely marvelous. I don't have that. Hopefully I'll be getting that very soon, but they do have the YOLO deck and you can configure it just like a stream deck, which is really nice. All right, so it makes it simple. I mean, this is so simple to do overlays, lower thirds and stuff like that. So my next video, what I'm going to talk about is plugging in some HDMI cameras and talk more deep in depth about the YoloBox Ultra. Make sure you stay tuned and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see more videos that I'm going to break down for the YoloBox Ultra. This is the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the YoloBox Ultra in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.